What's up folks, I'm back again and today I'll be teaching you how to fix a bicycle. If you got a broken bicycle laying around, there's no need for you to take it to a bicycle mechanic. You can just fix it yourself. Here's the bike that we'll be fixing. Let's get to work. As you can see, both tires are flat and there's one more problem. The stand is wobbly. Let's start fixing it. I've already got the spanner needed. It's number 15. Let's tighten it. Okay, I'm using one hand just because I'm filming with the other. By the way, I really wonder how life would have been if you got 3 or more hands. Just imagine. Yeah, it's not going anywhere now. It's tight. Let's see if it will move or not. Yeah, it's tight and the stand works perfect. Now you have to fix both tires. I mean, fill up both tires. Oh my god, working with one hand isn't an easy task, I'm telling you.
Oh, it's really tiring. We still got one more tire.
Whew, I'm done fixing the bike. It's tiring, but I hope it works. Let's see.